Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, what is the strategy for single multi-bugger stock? Answer by Praveen Dubey. Like a great many people, I was searching for a stock determination framework that would enable me to distinguish multi-bagger stocks. That is, stocks that can twofold in cost in a brief time frame. After a great deal of research and perusing on the web, I at last found a framework that has given me great returns. Obviously, this framework isn't top-notch. I am additionally certain back specialists have thought of preferred techniques over the one I take after. What I required, however, was a simple and easy to comprehend technique for stock picking. This is the thing that I take after. The system is known as CanSlim. CanSlim is a stock speculation system in light of an investigation of 500 of the share trading system victors. It goes back to 1953 and is depicted in the book How to Profit in Stocks, a triumphant framework in great circumstances or terrible by William J. O'Neill. What is CanSlim? Each letter in CanSlim remains for normal attributes that are found in the best securities exchange pioneers in the course of recent years. Current income per share. This figure can be found on Reddit stock quotes. It reveals to you how much benefit the organization has made for each offer given to its investors. According to this technique, income per offer ought to in any event increment by 15 to 18 for each penny consistently. Yearly profit, that is, the net benefit made by an organization. This ought to have expanded by 20 to 25 for each penny or all the more reliably throughout the previous 3 years. Yearly income can be found in the stock quotes in Reddit. And after a gander at the P&L account area, new administration. The organization ought to either be under new administration, have another item or have another administration. Offers of normal stock extraordinary. Beyond what many would consider possible, this figure ought to stay little. It reveals to you what number of offers an organization has issued to financial specialists like you. In the event that this figure is little, the income per share talked about above increments. One can get this number after a gander at the value capital to be decided sheet. Administration. The organization ought to be a pioneer in its industry, or at least in the best 3 positions in the division/business/fragment it works in. Institutional sponsorship. Take a gander at the shared assets that are purchasing this specific stock or holding this stock for an adequately longer period. This data is likewise accessible on Reddit on the correct hand side of the stock's sites. On the off chance that well-performing shared assets are holding your stock/s, at that point your odds of profiting are great. Market drift. In a falling business sector, even the best stock won't have the capacity to perform. Attempt and enter an upward market. That is, purchase a specific stock when the offer market is climbing. It isn't easy to do this today as the Indian markets are on the bullish stage as of now. Be that as it may, mine must be the watchword when the offer markets don't do too well. CanSlim or not, generally tread with alert. The system is one that emphatically energizes cutting all misfortunes at close to 8 for each penny or 10 for every penny underneath the purchase point, without any special cases. This will enable you to limit misfortunes and protect picks up. The book says purchasing stocks from strong blue-chip organizations ought to for the most part diminish odds of cutting misfortunes, since a solid organization will generally shoot up in a positively trending market. When the share trading system CanSlim procedure is an energy contributing, the framework distinguishes organizations with solid essentials, huge deals and income builds, which is a consequence of extraordinary new items or administrations. This system for me has worked extremely well. I have possessed the capacity to beat the BSE Sensex and the NSE Clever reliably. Expectation it influences your contributing to encounter substantially more or less demanding. With all the essential data required to succeed utilizing the CanSlim technique effortlessly accessible on the net, I needn't bother with any modern framework to discover great stocks. Consults the customer regarding the investment and dial give a missed call on +91 97071121112 or visit http://www.tradebizindia.com/